As we know that there are so many people, they are learning spoken English but they are not finding the right content from where they can learn. So this is a global question and this is global problem because English is associate official language for all over the world. So this language is very important and we must learn. In order to learning this language, so many people, so many students, so many learners, they are learning this language but kind of things, they are not finding the right content where they can enhance their communication skills. They are not finding the right path where they can understand all the things, where who can make easier to learning any kind of languages. So today I identified that this is one of the most important video is going to be happen because I believe that English is important language and we, in order to learning, we have to make the language and the language and learning process very easy. So my dear friend, you might have seen so many people, they do lots of kind of confusions and they don't have the right ways to teach spoken English classes. So that things I will make you easy and I will form sentence and sentence structure, and then I will realize you that what is meaning of that sentence and what are the questions are coming from that sentence. So I will also raise the questions and I will also tell you the questions, and it will be like situational based understanding. Meanwhile you are also learning grammatical part, and I will put you on certain kind of positions and I will raise the question so that you can also understand what could be the answer or what could be the right things to say. So my dear, again I would like to say you that situational based learning or circumstantial based learning is very helpful for your improvement and for developing your communication skills. And one thing I would like to also inform you that if you are learning English and you are hearing, listening or all the things, so you cannot able to learn English, it will be a problem. Because now you also know very well that if you go in London or America or anywhere, so they people speak English. So where you don't have to take care about the grammatical structure and nobody will tell you that you have to use verb, subject and complement and all the things. These are very old and it makes the language very difficult. So I want to give the right and strict knowledge where you can understand and you can I don't want to make any kind of barriers of learnings, because this is a language and if you make this language easy, so easier way you can learn. I just have given you example that if you go in America or any English spoken country, so you are getting that environment, so you can able to speak. So same thing if you are learning English by hearing Hindi or listening Hindi, or if anybody is explaining Hindi and teaching you English, that means he or she is doing crime. They are not teaching you. I understand also very well that you might don't understand whatever the tutor is saying in Hindi, sorry, in English. So definitely you don't understand, but if you put yourself on those kind of aspects and if you are listening those kind of words, sentence structure, so slowly you can able to understand, because this is the process. You are not going to learn within 1 month or within 15 days. The more you are listening, the more you can develop your communication skills. You will be, everything will be clear that you are hearing, and you are, and this would be the sentence structure, and this would be the meaning of the particular words or phrases. It's because of you are getting the climate that you, then after that you can understand. So same things I will make the sentences and I will convert in many forms, and I will raise the questions and I will also tell the answers. In this way definitely you are going to improve your communication skills, and simultaneously you are also learning some part of the grammatical and all these important things. Well, thank you very much for giving your precious time, and I'm very honored that I'm standing here, and I have taken the responsibility so that your communication skills should not remain incomplete. It should polish and it should like sparkling wherever you go. Your personality should other people understand that this is you, it's him. They should talk about yourself. So in order to developing your communication skills and teaching you some kind of grammatical stuffs, and I will make you understand, please be and be energetic, and you are the last person on the planet who is going to learn from my side, from my descriptions. Okay. Yes. So what I will do, I will teach you, simple present tense. In simple present tense, I will make the sentence in positive and then negatives, and then interrogative and then interrogative negative. And if there is any kind of like WH family questions, so I will also let you know. And meanwhile, I will also ask the questions, or if there is any kind of questions, you have to also respond, so that we can continue our circumstance basis learning. When I put you on those aspect, on those situations, so you will be automatically, you will be thinking that yes, this would be answer, or this wouldn't be answer, or maybe I'm thinking about something different. Your mind will be automatically forced to say something, forced to give your answers. So that is why this learning is very important, and that's why you have to be understand and you watch this video. And definitely there are so many videos, I'm just working on that, and I will present to you front of you, and you can watch and you can learn. Your learning should not be stopped. It seems like undefeatable, and it will be boosting. Don't worry about if you don't understand English, but it's okay. You are paying your attention, you are learning. You are not understanding spoken English, that is why you came here, and that is why you are listening. So why you should have to listen anything in Hindi? Yes, that this is the question, right? So you must understand English is important, and you are learning, English into listening only English language. Don't try to learn English in listening Hindi. If you have a problem, or if you have any doubt, so you can search it only at your home. You can search it in Google, that what did it mean, or what could be the right meaning. You can ask. But when it comes to learn your spoken English classes, so you should also listen English only. Otherwise the process will be very long, and you will be get confused, and you will lost your interest, and you will not able to enhance your communication, and you will forget everything, and you will give up this journey. And I don't want to give up any kind of your dream or any kind of aim in your life. You have to be continue, you have to be very authentic. Yes, I can learn, because I have taken these steps, and I should not take my steps backward. I am the initiator, and I have enough confidence. I can speak. If I can speak, then the things will happen. Otherwise nothing is possible in this world. So you have to be dedicated, and you have to be continue your path of progress, and you have to be learn. So yes, maybe if I make any kind of mistakes, please, I feel sorry, and please forgive me. So let's start our process. So as I told you what I'm going to do, now we will talk about the present simple tense. Present simple tense, anything or any meetings or any work you do on regular basis, in present tense you do that activities every day, or that activity is happening every day, we call present. At this moment whatever I am doing, so it called present and simple tense. So today we will talk about the present simple tense, and I will give you certain kind of explanation. You must understand, and you have to develop your communication skills. No matter what problem are you going to face, or you are going to face, you have to resolve it. Okay, fine. So we will take example. Right now you can see, I hope these all things are visible. So in present simple tense we have taken one sentence or structure, or one line. You go to the college. So you go to the college. You are saying to somebody else that you go to the college. Okay. So this is a simple when you go to the college. Why do you go to the college? Because you have to complete your course, and you are doing MA, or you are doing BA, or maybe some things you are learning, or you are doing any diploma or any kind of certifications course. So that is why you go to the college. Okay. So that is why you go to the college. So this is simple tense. You can see you go to the college, right? You go to the college. And what would be the negative statements? So you are asking about somebody that you go to the college. So if that person is not going to the college, then what he will speak? He will speak, I don't go to the college. So what will be the negative forms? The negative one, same, you will format your sentence structure. You here do not go to the college. So this right now you are clear with that what will be the negative sentence. You do not go to the college. This is like negative one. You do not go to the college, and this is simple. You go to the college. Somebody is going college, and you are asking with them that you go to the college. So that person is saying I don't go to the college. So because that person is saying, so he will use I. I do not go to the college. Or when you make a negative sentence, you will say you do not go to the college, right? You do not go to the college, right? I hope you are understanding. And what with the interrogative? Interrogative means this is negative forms which I have created here, and interrogative means you are asking question. You are asking questions with that person's with that person. So what will you use? How you can make the sentence like an interrogative? In interrogative, what will be happen? So here like when you whenever you form the sentence, so interrogative mein this is verb, and verb we will start with the verb. So verb will come first, do, and then subject will come. Do you go to the college? So this is interrogative. So we will put here question mark. You should always remember whenever you write anything. So at the end of finishing your questions, you have to write question marks. Okay. So you now again the situational based is that you if somebody is not going to the college, so means you saying somebody you go to the college. So in negative forms what will be, right? In negative forms you will form the sentence in negative. You do not go to the college. That person is not going to the college, right? So now you are forming the sentence in asking questions, means interrogative. Interrogative means whenever you form any sentence in questionnaire. So in questions you have formatted, do you go to the college? And again what will come after this? There is also a fourth term which we call interrogative negative. So interrogative negative, what will be happen? You can see interrogative. So I hope these things are clear. And interrogative negative means whenever you are asking questions, whether you have any kind of doubt, or whether whether somebody have any kind of doubt. So you will be asking that what will be the sentence structure? Here it will come. The interrogative means the sentence structure will start from the same things. Do. Always remember whenever you make negative sentences, so you have to use you do not go to the college. And then after whenever you are forming that sentence in in a interrogative, so you have to take do first, and the subject will come later on, and then the rest of the things will remain same. Always remember, don't forget, this is the learning. It is a very simple way. Whatever I am telling you, this is one of the best and fine things through this which I also understand. Please don't go in deeply and understand what is the subject, what is the verb and complement and auxiliary and so many things there are. You don't have to understand. Just be in simple and learn in simple, and the main objective is you can also learn and you can also able to speak. This is the main objective and the things, right? So in making interrogative, what you will do? You have taken do as same, and then negative will come here. So negative will come here. So we will we with the short form of don't. Right? So don't you go to the college. So again it is a interrogative negative, so you have to put questions mark. And right now you understand that in negative interrogative you have to put do will come first, and then not will come here same. So it will, this is so short form of don't. This is short form of don't. Don't you go to the college? Yes, yes I do. Yes, I do go to the college because I have to complete my learning and I have to complete my graduation. I'm doing particular kind of diploma and I'm doing ITI or so many things. So that is why I go to the college. Why now there is a question why somebody is go to the college because they have to study and they have to learn lots of things. So that is why they go to the college because they wanted to complete their path of progress and they wanted to learn various things. College is a particular place where students can go and they can learn maturity and they can interpret with various aspects and various topics. They can talk freely and they can put their opinions and point of views so that the maturity will come and they will able to understand, yes, this is not the right thing, this is the right things. If it is right, then why this is right? Why couldn't it be it is right? So means you will get maturity and certain kind of knowledge and improvement you can improve or you can polish. So this is completely what I have told you about this sentence structure. This is how you can make simple sentence, and in these activities you can also understand what will be the questions. Questions is here. You go to the college. Again, who go to the college? Who go to the college? You go to the college. Right? You do not go to the college. Yes, you. Yes, I don't go to the college. Yes, I go to the college. Your answer, what would be your answer, right? You do you go to the college? Yes, I do go to the college. Yes, no, I don't go to the college. Right? Don't you go to the college? Oh well, I finished my college classes, so I'm not going. I'm doing job or I'm learning something new, or I'm right now I'm also learning spoken English classes. I completed my college classes. So many things, so many ideas you can bring and you can raise the questions and you can tell your answers. It might be wrong. Don't worry about. It is wrong. That is why you are practicing. If you are not practice, so you will not able to get to know about what is wrong and what is right. So you should remember this. So again, if I make the sentences with WH family. So what will be the questions? Why do you go to the college? Okay, the questions will become here from this. Why do you? So questions like so now you understand about that you can make questions with WH family. So WH family, like do you go to the college? Before you have taken this sentence as same and you have to put why. Why do you go to the college? So I told you that what is the reason behind why the students or why you go to the college, because of so many objectives are there. So you go there and you identify, you debate that and you understand, you learn that. So that is why you are going to the college. Or maybe you want to develop your critical thinking, creative skills, and you want to have conversation with various topics. So that is the particular place where you can go and talk freely and understand the process. So that is why you go to the college. Now again here, what questions you can again make. So this is why. Why do you go to the college? Which time do you go to the college? So here you can also start which. In spite of using why, you can use which. Which time do you go to the college, or for which subjects do you go to the college, and why do you go to the college? So many things are there. I hope you understand from my particular videos, and I try to give my best so that you can learn. I remember that learning is a process where I'm just giving you information, so you are taking it and you are exploring it and understanding, so that you can able to learn. This is like why I make it very simple, because I'm speaking here a lot because I want to you hear a lot and understand with various kind of examples, so that you can raise your you can raise your understanding and you believe that everything is give you just I'm giving you many more opportunities and many chances so that you can able to learn and understand the things. So this is one sentence I have taken. Same things you have to do, take more than 50 sentence and then write down in your copies and understand. First you have to make the same thing like simple, and then you have to make negative and then interrogative, and then interrogative negative, and then you can also form your sentences with WH family: why, which, how, when do you go to college, or why do you go to the college. I told you that what will be the answer. I have given you so many answers. So these ways in these ways you can form your sentence and you can think about your answers. Definitely your English will be next to next and you will able to understand, and there is no questions will remain incomplete or unattended. If you put your questions, so there will be also answer and you must to understand. Don't worry about and learn the process. If you learn anything from this video, if you believe that your communication skill is going to be next level, so please subscribe these channels and share to somebody else who can learn. And I hope I'm very feeling very wonderful that you are giving your precious time and you are watching and learning from my videos. It will be very wonderful moment when you learn all these things from my explorations and research, which I have been developing since more than 10 years. Well, thank you very much for sure. If you have any kind of questions or anything, if you wanted to know, please let me know. Or if you like, you can share and subscribe. And well, it is part of learning. You must understand and you develop. Then I will feel very happy. Well, thank you very much for us. Thanks.